In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoho Mail using Outlook. Many people find managing multiple email accounts challenging, but by integrating Zoho Mail with Outlook, your email management can become much more streamlined. So let's walk through this process together, ensuring that each step is clear and easy to understand. First, we need to start by heading over to Zoho Mail. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the Zoho Mail URL, or simply use the link available on the website. Once there, sign into your account if you aren't already. Once signed in, direct your attention to the settings. You'll recognize this icon as a gear typically located towards the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down or a sidebar menu. And what we're looking for here is an option labeled Mail Accounts. This will take us to where we can adjust various email settings. After accessing the Mail Accounts section, locate the IMAP option. This setting is crucial because it allows Zoho Mail to communicate effectively with other email clients such as Outlook. Click on the IMAP setting to proceed. Now that you're here, you'll see an option to enable IMAP access. There's usually a checkbox associated with this feature, and ensuring this box is checked is necessary for continuing. This access allows you to integrate your Zoho Mail with an external application like Outlook. After enabling IMAP, it's important to save these changes. There should be a Save button visible on the screen, typically at the bottom or top corners of the settings window. Clicking on this will ensure that your IMAP settings are retained and applied. Next, we'll switch gears and move over to Outlook. Open Outlook on your device. You'll want to start by navigating to the File menu. It's typically in the upper left corner of the application window. Within the File menu, you'll see an option to Add Account. Clicking here will initiate the process of linking your Zoho Mail to Outlook. This option prompts a dialog where you can enter your Zoho email account details. Lastly, you need to proceed with connecting Zoho Mail by following any on-screen prompts. These steps might involve verifying your Zoho account credentials and authorizing Outlook to connect to your email. Click on Continue when prompted to finalize the connection between Zoho Mail and Outlook. Once completed, you should find your Zoho Mail inbox available within Outlook. This integration means you can now manage your emails from both platforms seamlessly, enhancing productivity and organization. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up Zoho Mail in Outlook.